Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 10, Shelters and Homes. Everyone needs a place to live safely in, be it an animal or a human being. A place that protects us from natural elements such as rain, storm, heat, and cold is called a shelter. Animals live in shelters such as burrows, caves, trees, etc. Human beings live in shelters such as huts and houses. In the past, humans used caves as shelters. We live together with other members of our family in a house and call it our home. We feel secure and comfortable in our homes. Many houses together form a neighborhood. Neighbors help each other during times of need. Types of houses. There are different kinds of houses depending on the place that we live in. They are divided mainly into two types, Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house are generally found in villages. They are made of wood, straw and mud. A Kacha house is also called a hut. The roof of Kacha house is generally made of straw and is called thatched roof. A roof may also be made of tin or other modern materials. Pakka houses are found in towns and cities. They are made of bricks, cement, iron and wood. Nowadays, Pakka houses are being built in villages as well. There are many types of Pakka house. Some common Pakka houses are bungalows and single-stored and multi-stored houses. Due to the lack of space in cities, multi-stored houses called apartments are constructed. These houses are built one on top of the other. Apart from security, these modern houses also provide some other facilities. Can you think of some facilities that modern house provide? The type of houses that people live in depends on the following factors: the climate of the place, the materials available, money that a person can spend. In places where it rains a lot and there is a possibility of flooding, houses are built on stilts or tall pillars. People use ladders to enter these houses. Such houses are often seen in places like Assam in northeast India, parts of Indonesia and Equatorial Africa. In snow-covered areas which are very cold, houses are made with blocks of snow and ice. These are called igloos. Such houses are found in Greenland and Antarctica. While flat roofs are most common in the plains, they are not very practical in areas that experience heavy rain or snowfall. People living in hilly or mountainous areas usually have houses with sloping roofs so that rain or snow slides off the roofs easily. Such houses are found in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh and cold countries of Europe and North America. Houseboats are floating houses. They are wooden houses made of boats. They can move around in water. Such houses are found on Dal Lake in Kashmir. Red Indians or Native Americans used to live in tepis or tents. These tents were made of animal hide. In Central Asia, the nomadic horsemen lived in rounded tents called yurts. Nomads are people who do not stay in one place and move from one place to another. What is a good house? A house may be big or small, but a good house is one which is clean, free from germs and allows plenty of fresh air come in. While building a house, certain factors have to be kept in mind. They are ventilation. A good house should have plenty of doors and windows that allow fresh air to come in and go out. This is called cross ventilation. A good house should also allow plenty of sunlight to come in so that there is no need for artificial light. Fresh air is necessary for healthy living and sunlight is a natural germ killer. It also makes sure that our house does not get too damp. Safety. A good house must have strong walls and a roof to protect us from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. It should have a boundary wall so that stray animals and strangers can't enter. The doors and windows should have good and strong latches to secure them. The windows should have wire meshes to prevent mosquitoes and flies from entering. Cleanliness. You must have heard the saying, cleanliness is next to godliness. A clean house is a healthy house. A dirty house is a house of illness and disease. To keep our house clean, we must follow certain rules. Sweep and mop the house daily. An antibacterial solution like phenyl should be used to mop the floor. Do not litter. Garbage should be thrown inside the dustbins. Garbage bins should be covered so that flies do not gather. Keep our room tidy by putting things back in their proper places and also make sure that they are free of dust. Make sure that the toilets and bathrooms are clean and hygienic. Very often we can see lizards, flies, ants, cockroaches and rats in our homes. These spread diseases and should not be allowed to breed. They are called pests. Their breeding can be controlled by using pesticides and disinfectant and keeping the house clean. Sometimes we may also use rat traps or rat poison to get rid of them. Rat poison should only be placed by elders as it is very dangerous. Shelters for animals. We sometimes keep pets like dogs, cats, rabbits and domestic animals such as cows, buffaloes and horses at home. These animals need to be looked after and should be kept in shelters that are best suited for them. A dog is kept in kennel. Cows and buffaloes are kept in sheds, and horses are kept in stable. Understood? For this we finished our reading, shelter and homes. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Thank you.